Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. Right now, the investment account sitting at $60,197.31. Today was a bit of a choppy day. We hit some all-time highs. If you can look right here, back at when the market opened up, 9 o'clock, right here at 10 o'clock this morning, we were up 60,481. But then as the day went on and news broke about the jobs reports and the expectations of that, as you begin to see a downward trend, and for the rest of the day, all the gains that we made today kind of like fizzled out. So more of a choppy day. Here's a live view of the market. And then once it hit here around tonight, around 10 p.m., it's been a bit of an increased buyback as time keeps going. About 10:35, look at that. And now, and even into now, back selling off a little bit more. It's all good. People see red in the water, so they feel like it's time to buy. And I feel like that's a good strategy. If, that's your strategy, I feel like that's a good strategy. Buy when it's low, sell when it's high. That's the whole point of the stock market. Buying power, $573.55. Cash earning interest is $573.55. The APY is down to 4.25% with the APY goal. So get ready. You'll see that reduce more if the Fed Reserve, if they reduce short-term interest rates by another 25 basis points, that will also go down to 4%. Okay, my stocks and ETFs right now, we got our overview. Microsoft sitting at $443. I got 3 shares of Microsoft. Amazon, I got 3.5 shares. It's at $226.38. Apple, I got 22 shares at $242.30. Alphabet class A, which is Google, is sitting at 12.70 shares. And I have it's at $174.60. On my ETF, SCHD, it's right now sitting at $28.86. A great time to buy. It's back low. I got 235.65 shares of SCHD. Walmart, it's at $95.74. I have 108.03 shares of Walmart. Coca-Cola, $62.61. I have 32.47 shares of Coca-Cola, another great dividend. As a matter of fact, I click into Coca-Cola. I believe, I was right. Dividend coming, $15.75. This is a really good dividend paying stock. So I'm going to continue buying and holding Coca-Cola over the long term. Next, we got SPLG. SPLG is sitting at $71.47. I have 190.70 shares of SPLG. Soon to get more. FTEC sitting at $192.37. Right now, I'm at 5.34 shares in this particular portfolio, but I have another 9 shares in the traditional IRA. DGRO sitting at $64.07. I have 73.96 shares. Starbucks, not even a full share, but Starbucks has went up to $100, over $100 a share now, which is good for them because Starbucks once upon a time was trending downward. NVIDIA, it's at 141.92. NVIDIA kind of lost all its gains from earlier. It's 54.72 shares. Meta is up $623.41. I got 2.42 shares of Meta. I'll be looking at dollar cost average more into that one next year as well. Y'all, I'm really saying next year because in 2025, I'm really planning on dollar cost averaging a lot more into the Magnificent Seven all the way around, not just certain stocks. NVIDIA, I have that bought and held at a certain price, and I'm going to just continue to hold on to NVIDIA long term. Overall, I got over 204 shares of NVIDIA, and I'm already kind of exposed to NVIDIA in a good way. NVIDIA is up. The reason I say that is because if you click in, got dividends coming up, but NVIDIA is up year to date 188%, 188.20%. So that's a great investment. Look at, and Meta, year to date, Meta is up 77.45%. My goodness. So I definitely encourage you guys to look at the Mag 7. These stocks have definitely been a game changer this year. It's been allowing me to multiply wealth tremendously. Apple is up almost 30%. It's at 29.47%, increasing. Microsoft, same way. It's at 18.49%. So Microsoft, not as much growth as it used to be, but it's still more than the S&P. It's more than the standard of the market. Even Walmart this year, guys, look at this. Year to date, Walmart's up 82.65%. That's pure growth. My total return is 68.02%. Pure growth with Walmart. Great value company, but also showing great growth as well. Google, class A, year to date, up 26.02%. Google hasn't had the best year. The earnings report from this past quarter was good. The one before that wasn't so good. But Google overall has not had a bad year. It's actually up 26.02%. So, and then in the traditional IRA, we're sitting at $43,836.67. You might say, well, dang, we down mighty bad. But we're really not, because, like I said, most of this is 150 shares of NVIDIA. NVIDIA will bounce back. Right now, it's just a great time for people to buy into it. If that's something you want to do, you want to get into NVIDIA, it's a really, really great time to jump into it if that's what you want to do. SPLG, I got 60 more shares right here. You have TEC, I got 9 shares right here. So, yeah, that's what makes up the traditional IRA, plus another $16,500 right there in the buying power, ready to be deployed into the market at any time. Here we go, $104,033.98. Big banks. That's how we do it. Also, I have another $7,300 in the Fidelity investing account as well. So that's continues to grow over time, and we're going to continue contributing to that every week as well. So we're on our way on our journey to $500,000, 500,000, and we're going to get there sooner than you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of KJ the Investor. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop it down in the comment box below. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Love you guys. Peace.